Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner and a bunch of options will be displayed. Here, scroll down a little bit, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are here, scroll down to the Preferences tab and tap on the News Feed feature. Inside it, tap on the Unfollow feature and all of the accounts that you follow will be displayed. Now, tap on the Unfollow button at the right side to quickly unfollow the accounts. Just like that, unfollow all of the accounts quickly. So that's basically how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.